Okay, friends, let's get ready to learn. Are you crisscross? Are you crisscross? Eyes on me, eyes on me. Hands in your lap, hands in your lap. Quietly, quietly. Let's figure out what day it is today. Let's use our calendar. Is today Sunday? No, Sunday has a number. Is today Monday? No, Monday has a number. Is today Tuesday? It is. Today is Tuesday. Let's sing the days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, let's figure out what today's number is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and today's number is 5, number 5. All right, friends, let's figure out what month it is. Remember, friends, that we are on a brand new month. This month starts with letter M. M is for May. M is for May. Let's sing our month song. Get ready to stand. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then we turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then we sit back down. Okay, sit down. Okay, friends, this week we are talking all about plants. Remember that we talked about how a plant starts? It starts as a tiny seed, and then it starts to sprout, and as it gets taller, it gets leaves, and it grows and grows and grows, and then it also grows a flower. So remember, it starts as a seed, and it grows taller and taller and taller, and it makes a flower. And then the flower makes new seeds, and it starts over again. Then we plant that seed, it grows tall and tall and tall, and grows a flower. All right, friends, let's sing our song all about the little seed. I'm a little planted seed. See the rain falling on me. Sun shines down through the trees. These are the things that I need. Oh, how happy they make me. I'm a little growing seed. So remember, our plants start out as a seed, and then they start to grow stems and leaves, and the roots go down into the ground, and at the very end we get our beautiful flower, and it makes new seeds, and it starts all over. All right, friends, let's do our letters. What letter is this? A. A is for apples. Apples are sweet. A is for apples. Apples are sweet. B is for bird. Birds can fly. B is for bird. Birds can fly. C is for carrot. Carrots are orange. C is for carrot. Carrots are orange. D is for dog. A dog likes to play. D is for dog. A dog likes to play. E is for elephant. Elephants are big. E is for elephant. Elephants are big. F is for fish. Fish live in water. F is for fish. Fish live in water. G. G is for giraffe. A giraffe is tall. G is for giraffe. A giraffe is tall. H is for house. Do you live in a house? H is for house. Do you live in a house? I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. J is for jelly beans. Jelly beans are small. J is for jelly beans. Jelly beans are small. K is for kite. A kite likes wind. K is for kite. A kite likes wind. L is for lamb. A lamb is soft. L is for lamb. A lamb is soft. M is for moon. The moon is full. M is for moon. The moon is full. N is for nest. This nest has 2 eggs. N is for nest. This nest has 2 eggs. O is for owl. Owls like the night. O is for owl. Owls like the night. Do you remember our new letter from yesterday? P. P is for pig. Pigs are pink. P is for pig. Pigs are pink. Okay, friends, we are going to go learn all about the different parts of a flower. All right, I'll see you in just a second. Okay, friends, today we are learning about the parts of a plant. Remember this picture? We started with our little seed and then it grew and grew and grew. Well, today we are going to learn what these different parts are called on our plant. All right. These things down here are the things that grow first, and they are called the root. The roots are growing on our flower. And they are the part that's underneath the soil. You can see the brown soil, and the roots grow underneath the soil. The next part we see is this long part right here, and on our picture it's this part. That part is called the stem. The stem grows up out of the ground, and it's the long green part, usually green. All right, so we have our root and our stem. Next we have these. These green things right here are called leaves. That's right, leaves. We're going to put our label right here. It says leaf. So we have our root, our stem, our leaf, and what's left? What's this part called flower. So we're going to put our label by our flower. So we have the root, the stem, the leaf, and the flower. On this one, it's root, stem, leaf, and flower. And those are the parts of our plant. All right, I'll meet you on the carpet. All right. Okay, friends, I hope you had fun learning all about the different parts of a flower. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Have a good day.